Did I remember spring, all the joy that love can bring?
Filling clips, he explained our situation precisely, so we know exactly what we facing. Some kid named Jason in the Honda station, wagon was bragging about how much loot and crack he stacking. Rock had a grip, so they formed up a clique, a small crew. Around the time I was locked up with you, true indeed. But nigga, let me proceed. Don't fill them clips too high, then the bullets room to breathe. Damn, where was I? Yeah, went out of town, flew the fuck up. D-Rock went home and Jay got stuck the fuck up. Hit him twice, caught him right for the Persian white. Pistol whipped his kids and taped up his wife. He thinking Rock set him up, no question. Wet him up, no less than 50 shots in his direction. How many shots, man, nigga? I seen mad holes. What kind of gas? Bitch like cops and calicos. If I go, you got to go. Somebody got to die. Let